Riding Hood. So let's get started. Little Red Riding Hood lived with her mother and father in a house in the forest. One day, Little Red Riding Hood's mother said, "Will you take these cakes to grandmother?" "Yes," said Little Red Riding Hood, and off she went. Grandmother's house was on the other side of the forest, and in this forest lived a wolf. When the wolf saw Little Red Riding Hood, she said, "I will eat her all up," and off he ran. Little Red Riding Hood knocked on her grandmother's door. "Come in," said a funny voice. Little Red Riding Hood looked at grandmother. "Come closer, my dear," said the funny voice. "Oh, grandmother," said Little Red Riding Hood, "what big ears you have! All the better to hear with you with, my dear," said the funny voice. "Come closer." "Oh, grandmother," said Little Red Riding Hood, "what big eyes you have!" "All the better to see you with, my dear," said the funny voice. "Come closer." "Oh, grandmother," said Little Red Riding Hood, "what big teeth you have! All the better to eat you with," cried the wolf. The wolf jumped up and chased Little Red Riding Hood round and round the house. "Help!" cried Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood's father was in the forest. He ran to grandmother's door with his big axe. The wolf jumped up when he saw the axe. Then he ran, and he was never to see again. The end. Thank you all for reading with me today. I hope you come back for another book like this. Bye! Hi everyone, today I'm reading The Ugly Duckling. So let's get started. The eggs, Mother Duck, the Ugly Duckling, the ducklings. Once upon a time there were 7 eggs. 6 ducklings were beautiful. 1 duckling was not. "You are ugly," said Mother Duck. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a cow. "You are ugly," said the cow. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a cat. "You are ugly," said the cat. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a rabbit. "You are ugly," said the rabbit. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a boy. "You are ugly," said the boy. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a girl. "You are ugly," said the girl. "Go away." The ugly duckling was all alone. He was very, very sad. One day, the ugly duckling saw some beautiful swans. "Look in the water," said the swans. "You are beautiful," said the swans. "Come here," and he did. The end. Thank you all for reading with me today. I hope you come back for another book. Bye!